Now say exercise 6.5 question number 8. What did they say? O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. O is a point here. OD perpendicular BC. OE perpendicular AC. OF perpendicular AB. Then show that OA square. Here OA is not joined. So join OA. Then next OB square. Next OC square. And this point name is O. If to show Roman number 1, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. And Roman number 2, AF square plus BD square plus C square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BA square. This complete sum is based on Pythagoras theorem. Given part as it is, you will write from book. In the construction part, you can write OA, OB and OC are joined. Right? Construction you write OA, construction OA, comma OB, comma OC are joined. Okay. So proof part. So proof what you will write. So let me start with this triangle. Here each and every triangle is right angle. So this angle is 90 means this also is 90. So you take the triangle AOF. In triangle AOF. So if you come to this triangle AOF, this angle is 90. So your hypotenuse will be OA. So OA square equal to AF square plus OF square. The way it is written alphabetically, I have followed that only. You can write here bracket Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Next you come to this triangle. In triangle BOF. In BOF, OB will work as your hypotenuse, 90 degree opposite side, equal to, in the question you see they have given BF or FB. It is given BF. So let me write BF square. BF square plus OF square. Equation 2. Equation 2. Then this triangle you come in triangle OBD. Just find out which is your 90 degree. So this is 90. This is hypotenuse. OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. Equation 3. So now come to this triangle. In triangle ODC. In ODC this is 90. So OC square equal to OD square plus BC square. Equation 4. Now come to this triangle. In triangle OEC. In OEC E is 90. So OC square equal to OE square plus, in the book it is written CE. So write CE only. CE square. Equation 5. And the last triangle in triangle AOE. In triangle AOE. So AOE, OA is the hypotenuse, OA square equal to AE square plus OE square. Equation 6. So there are 6 equations. Now as per proof I will add up. In Roman 1 proof you see OA square plus OB square plus OC square. So OA here also it is present. Again here also it is present. Now which one I will take? After that you see they have done minus OD minus OE minus OF. So OF here it is present. Okay. Then here OE is there. So OA, OB, here it is there, OC, 1, 3, 5. Okay. So if I take equation 1, 3 and 5, you see OA you will find out, OB you will find out, OC you will find out. After minus what they have done, OD square, OD is present here. in equation 3. Then OE is present here. Then OF is present here. Equal to what you have to prove? AF square present. Then BD square here it is present. C square here present. Okay. You have to do plus as per your requirement. So here if I do equation 1, 3 and 5, shortcut way to remember in exam, start from this triangle, your odd equations will be the solution. 1, 3, 5 odd equations. Okay, easy to remember, but start with this triangle and then go in a anti-clockwise way. So 1, 3, 5. So equation 1 OS is there, left hand side here OB is there, and here left hand side OC square is there. Equal to what I'll write? Equation 1 AF square plus OF square plus in equation 3 OD square plus BD square plus here OE square plus CE square. Now shifting I will do OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus what I have to bring? OD, OE, OF. So bring OD in the left hand side. So it is minus OD square. OE you bring minus OE square. OF you bring minus OF square. Equal to what is the left part? AF square plus BD square plus C square. Okay, plus C square. So this is the proof of equation 1, and number it is 7, because the next sum will start from here only. Copy it. That is AF plus BD plus CD. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay. Roman number 2. What did they say to prove? AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. You see, already one side is proved. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So here I have to do the combination. I have to bring AE square. Now see, rest of the equation I have to bring AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Now see, OA square minus OE square will give what? AE. So OA and OE you combine it. So right now for Roman number 2, right, equation 5 implies, and write equation 5 implies. So equation 7, not 5, equation 7 implies. So equation 7, what it is given? Write the complete equation. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This implies I have to bring what? AE. Okay, so OA square minus OE square you combine it. OA square minus OE square, make a proof, plus next what I have to bring? CD. CD is OC square minus OD square. So make grouping of these two. OC square minus OD square plus, so OA minus left part is what? OB minus OF. OB minus OB square minus OF square equal to what it is there? AF square plus BD square plus C square. So this implies OA square minus OE square, what you can write? AE square. So write here AE square. Okay, let me write it here. So what you can write here, OA square minus OE square, it is AE square plus OC square minus OD square, it is DC square. Okay, but CD square, here DC written no, in the question it is given CD, you can write CD also. And left is what, BF square, OB square minus OF square, OB square minus OF square is what, BF square. Okay, equal to what is there, equal to is, equal to you can write here AF square plus BD square plus C square. Here bracket to write using 1, not 1, using 2, 4 and 6. Using 2, 4 and 6. Here we write using equation 2, 4 and 6. Okay, this is the end of question number 8. Copy this part. ठीक है.